exactly the product life cycle is. Product actually works same as a human being. Just as we born, we live our life, and then we die. Similarly, product comes in the market, it reaches to certain position where its demand is very high, and then it ultimately dies. Now, similarly, the product life cycle has four stages. That is the introduction stage, the growth and maturity, and the client stage. Um, it actually comprise the graph actually comprise on x and y axis scale. X axis, the horizontal line, represents the time frame, and the y axis, the vertical line, represents sales of a particular product. So here comes the first introduction stage. In introduction stage, the main focus of a company or an individual is on its marketing and occupying certain kind of marketing space. The marketing expenditure is very high, and the profit is very low in this stage. Sometimes zero profit, and companies actually try to just move on from this stage to the growth stage as soon as they can, because their ultimate goal is to earn profit. Then the second stage comes the growth, and in this stage the competition gets high, because new product, similar kind of products just enters into the market, and you face a little bit difficulty. So because of that, you just innovate your product to differentiate your product from all other competitors, but still the competition is not so high, and your target, or and the target audience you have all, or you try to target your audience, and they just start knowing about the main features and the value of your product, and they start buying your product in growth stage. Then comes the maturity stage, when this maturity stage actually is the stage of maturity when your product is already very famous and people have already known about your product. They have already started buying, and many of your audience has already bought your product. At the end of the maturity stage, the decline stage starts. So before going to the decline of a product, companies usually try to spend as much time as they can in the maturity stage, and this is not a hard and fast rule that every product will always go to the decline stage. Many of the products are there in the market which extends their maturity stage even till decades. For example, I will give you an example of a washing machine and dryers. They are already in maturity stage, and they are not going towards the declining, and they are continuously innovating their washing machines and dryers with certain kind of different options and innovative techniques. Then comes the decline stage, where a product has already covered his maturity stage, and people are just it's actually sales are lowering down, because people have already bought this product, or sometimes the trend has already demolished, just as the technological items always spends 2 to 3 years in a complete product life cycle, just same as mobile phones, etc. So in this decline stage, any company must realize that they have to wind up their setup, and they have to relaunch another product. So the best strategy is to before your product is going to decline stage, you must launch another product, so that if one product goes to decline, the another product is in this lined up, and it just goes to growth and maturity, and so the year cycle goes on, and you never reaches on the bankruptcy stage.